Hi, good day and welcome to microprocessor tutorial session. So in this session, before I proceed for any further, I would like to give you a little introduction to the courses. Formerly, this course was called as EE513 and now it is called as 325 EE. Okay, so both of them are the same. So before I begin, let me share uh, the course description with you. I hope all of you are able to see the screen very clearly. Yeah, this course, microprocessor uh, course has the following information. The textbook which we are going to follow is Microprocessor and Microcontroller System by AP Godse. Um, Dr. Munji will be taking this course for theoretical courses, and I'll be taking the tutorial session for it. Okay, and this is the brief course contents. It has the following prerequisites. Now let us see how the distribution of marks has been done. These are the brief list of topics that we are going to cover, and because this is a tutorial session, you might have seen that tutorial has 10% of weightage. Okay, and remaining is by the doctor, and in tutorial you have 10% of the marks. So yeah, this is for tutorial. We have 10% of the marks. Now I'll give you how this 10% has been divided. Okay, so this 10 marks, I divide it into two. Uh, 1 minute. Let me go back and see. Yeah, these are the topics. Yeah. So in tutorial session, this 10 marks I will be dividing into quizzes. So each quiz will be of 2 marks. Okay. If it is 2 marks, then I can have total number of 5 quizzes. So we have total number of 5 quizzes. Each quiz carries 2 marks. So how the quizzes will be scheduled? For this, let me share another file to give you a brief overview about share file. Just a minute, I want to share a file that has information about distribution of marks. Okay, so your screen, you can just elaborate it to see it clearly. Okay, up to week 1, 2, 3, I will be taking all the lectures. Then from week 4, we'll start a quiz. So total, actually, we have 5 quizzes only. But here I have given 6. So any one quiz I will delete. Okay, maybe I may delete the quiz 1 and give you quiz 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or I may delete a quiz 4 and give you quiz 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, so any 5 quizzes, accordingly we will see. So this is the plan, that out of these 6 quizzes, uh, out of these 5 quizzes, you have to score the marks, and each quiz carry 2 marks. Okay, 2 marks for each quiz. So I will write its total of 5 quizzes. Each quiz takes 2 marks. Okay. So we'll just write again. Total 5 quizzes as shown in the table. Each quiz carries 2 marks. Okay. So now after this, what we'll do is make sure that this is the week I have mentioned in this is the week numbers and this is the quiz that will be displayed. So make sure that you are prepared according to this. Now in quiz 1, I will cover all the topics from week 1 to 4. In quiz 2, I will cover all the topics from week 1 to 6, and more priority will be given to week 4 to 6. Okay. Similarly, in quiz 3, all the syllabus will be 1 to 8, and more priority will be given 7, 8. Okay. So like this, I will be taking all the quizzes. And let me share with you the another part of microprocessor based system. Okay, this is also this is an old course which is taken by Dr. Neeraj and Dr. Monji, right? See, you have the same textbook, everything is same, but the this is an old course, okay, and its course code is E513. And for this also we have same grading policy, that it also has 10 marks. So let me show you. Yeah. So yeah. So here we go on page 2. See, this tutorial also has 10 marks. So here also I will be taking 5 quizzes, and each quiz carry 2 marks. So 5 into 2, 10 marks. So, and each quiz is distributed over this 14 or 15 weeks. So make sure that you attend all the quizzes and get marks. Okay. And yeah, this is what I would like to share with you. So hope all of you have understood. If you have any questions, the communication medium is Blackboard. Through Blackboard, you can message me in course messages, and I will be responding to your messages. Okay. And if you please don't use any other media like WhatsApp or email. Okay, instead of email and WhatsApp, you can use course messages from your Blackboard. Okay, so go to your Blackboard and watch lectures there. There I will be uploading all the materials, and in virtual classroom you will be having all recorded sessions. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. So if you have any questions, you can send me a message on course messages. Okay, so thank you. I'll stop here and continue next week. Thank you.